Hello my beauties, it's Mimi here and welcome back to a brand new video. So I'm very excited about this video because I'm going to review the Naked Ultraviolet palette. This is from Urban Decay, and when I saw I really wanted to do a review on it. I ordered this about a week ago on Sephora and it just came yesterday, so I'm so excited. I'm going to open it now. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love the packaging. So let me open inside. It already has some fallout, so it has a brush inside. So here are the colors. We have some neutrals over here and we have some purples and I guess that's aqua color. I believe I bought this for $49. Yes, I think that's. The palette comes with 12 colors, so I'm going to swatch them all now. I just got back to work, so I'm washing my hands a lot and now it's all irritated and red. Here's the first color. I don't know if I can see, but I don't know if you can tell. This one is called Trippin'. It's like it's a highlight color, so it's just like a skin color shade. That's the second shade. It's called Mind Slip. You can't really tell, but it's like in the palette, it's like a matte orangey, light orangey, but it's very sheer. The third shade is called Dazed. In the box it says golden pink shimmer with gold micro pearls. That's the fourth shade, which is called Hacked. It's sorry, it's a little blurry. It's kind of like a taupey brownish color, so I can't really tell for that one, but it's just like a shimmery brownish, or so. I'm not very good at explaining, so I'm very sorry about that. It looks brown or brownish red. That is the sixth color. It doesn't come up much when I blend it out a little bit. So the next color is like a lilac color. Yeah, it's not showing up either, but it's very light. It's like a matte lilac color. I forgot the color before is Optimize, that lilac color. The next one is called Warning. It's like an like a pinkish purplish color. Shimmery a little bit. Sorry if you can't tell the swatches, but it's not as pigmented as I thought. But this one is called Cyberpunk. It's like a violet shimmery shade. This one is called Euphoric. It's like a purpley violet shade, more purpley than the one before it. The next shade is like a dark violet shimmery color. This is the last shade. It's called Digital. It's like a brownish, dark brown color, shimmery too. This palette isn't what I expected. I thought it would be more pigmented, but I guess it isn't. I think we should just start getting right to the eyes and see. So I already have my Urban Decay primer potion on. The first color I will be using is called Lucid, which is that turquoise, not turquoise, aqua-y color. But yeah, I'll be using my MAC 239 brush. I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my lids, just about a third of the way. It's pretty, it's just not as opaque. I feel like, you see how that's not showing up? I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, it's just nothing's going on. Let's do the other eye. I'm just gonna pat it down. I feel like this eye is a little better than this one, but I don't know. Okay, the next shade, I'm not sure what shade I want to use. Maybe Cyberpunk, which is the violet shade. Okay, this one here is Cyberpunk, and then the one I used before was, oops, sorry, Lucid. And I'm going to use the same brush, which is the MAC 239 brush. And I'm going to apply on the middle of the lid, like a third of the way. It's kind of not showing as much, but I feel like it's not showing. It just doesn't look right, but yeah. So I'll be taking this brush, which is the Morphe 321 brush, and I'm going to go back on Lucid and blend the two colors together, the purple and the aqua color. So I hope it's blending. Sorry. Ooh, I feel like it took off the purple. Let me try the other side. I can add a little more of the purple too. I don't know, it's okay. I seriously don't know what I'm doing. The next color I will be using is Purple Dust, which is, oops, the shade right here. It's a dark violet-y color, if that's a word. And I'll be using my MAC, no, not MAC, but Sephora shader brush. And I'm gonna put it on the outer corner of my lid. Let's see if it's gonna show up. Just gonna bring it in on the crease a little bit. I don't know if that works, but I don't even know if it looks right. I feel like it's just not, maybe I'm just not doing a good job, I don't know. I'll be taking my Morphe M503 brush and I'm going to blend everything together. If it's gonna work, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade, which is called Optimize, the lilac color. With my Morphe 321 brush, I'm going to put it on my upper crease. I feel like this eye is better than the other one. I don't know, it's just hard to blend on this eye, so it looks kind of weird. I will be taking this shade, which is called Trippin', as a highlight color. I'm gonna take my 503 Morphe brush and just put it there and then blend. Might have to fix this eye somehow. I don't know if you can tell, but there are some fallouts over here. let me just dust it off. For my tear ducts, I will be using the shade, which is called Warning, with my MAC 219 pencil brush. For my lower lash line, I will be using this shade, which is called Euphoric. It's a bluish violet color with my MAC 219 brush again. I'm gonna go back to the purple dust and apply it on the outer corner because it's not really showing. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my eyeliner, mascara, and falsies on, it looks kind of better, but I still feel like this eye isn't pretty. It just looks blotchy. Overall, I feel like this palette isn't what I expected it to be. I mean, I love the packaging, the colors, they look pretty in the palette, but applying it on, it's just not as pigmented and it's very hard to blend. So I'm just very disappointed. Yeah, that eye isn't pretty. I mean, this eye is fine. I like that eye. I'm not sure when this video is going to be posted because I just got back to work and I don't have time to edit. Whenever I come home from work, I get off at around 7:30 and I have to go home and shower because I'm all dirty, and then I go spend some time with my son, and then I eat dinner, and I'll be finishing up around 10:30, sometimes even 11, depending on what kind of food I cook, how long it cooks. I don't really like to sleep late. If I sleep late the next morning, I feel really tired, and editing videos are so draining. I've been posting almost every Monday. I like to post like the beginning of the week. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.